Are you seriously ready to change your life, to bring more money into your life, to bring more love, happiness, abundance, health? Then make this promise. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you that we have a special offer for you at miraclehypnosisonline.com. 7 days free, absolutely free. Try all of our hypnotic programs or meditation programs that are designed to empower your life with the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. So Rachel and I have put together this site. We create these special audio programs that you listen to as you fall asleep at night, and they change your subconscious mind so that you begin to just let it go and let it flow. Things begin to work for you because there's no longer any resistance. miraclehypnosisonline.com. 7 days, absolutely free. Try it out. Okay, now we're talking about something that is very near and dear to my heart. Earlier on Facebook, I was responding to a young lady who is at the precipice. She's at a point where everything seems bad in her life. And when I was at that point, and I've been at that point more than once, high flyers, but when I was at that point at my lowest ebb, when I didn't know how anything was ever going to work for me ever again, and I was this far from actually living on the streets, it was devastating. And I made a promise to myself. It was on Christmas Eve. And on Christmas Eve, I made a promise. And it didn't instantly, like the next day, the sun didn't come out and there were angels there and everything was beautiful. But inch by inch, little by little, good things began to flow into my life. Opportunities began to come to me. And I changed my life based on that commitment, on that promise. And I believe that if you will make this promise and write it out and sign it for 28 days, for a complete lunar cycle, you will change your life in an incredible way, in a way that you have never, ever expected. Now, you may be at a point in your life you're going, I don't know how this is ever going to work. I don't know how I'm ever going to dig out from this debt. I don't know how I'm ever going to save my relationship. I don't know how this business is even going to survive another week. You may be at a point of crisis. And it's at a point of crisis that you need this promise. Make this promise. I'm going to go through it with you step by step. Make this promise starting today. Don't put it off. Don't go to the next video. Make the promise. Write it out and do it. All I desire for you to do is that if you are committed to making this promise for 28 days to yourself, that you write down below, I promise. I promise. That's all you have to write. I promise. Make the promise and watch your life change. It's incredible. I promise to my true and sacred self that from this day on, I will accept and receive. Now, this is very important because most of us are pretty good at giving, But a number of us have difficulty accepting, receiving. And oftentimes when it comes to abundance or money or love or any of these kinds of energies or vibrations, we're okay at giving it, but we're not very good at receiving it. And oftentimes it shows up in our life, but because we're not so good at receiving, we don't even see it. It doesn't even register with us. So I want you to say the words accept. I accept. I will accept. I am accepting and receiving. Number one, love. That I am allowing love to flow freely into my life. Next, high flyers. After love, because love is like the sky. It covers everything. It covers your relationships. It covers your friendships. It covers the things that you love to do. It covers everything. So from now on, you are always allowing, always in a state of allowing love to flow freely and easily into your life. You're open to love. You're not looking for love because love is everywhere. You see, when you start looking for something, then you don't see what's right in front of you. Love is everywhere. But you're allowing that love, the love of the universe, the love of God, the love of the angels, the love of your relatives and family to flow through you, in you, around you. The love of strangers, the love of a deep, intimate relationship, the love of your family, the love of your children. You're going to live a life based on love. This is your promise. You're promising this to yourself right now. The next thing is good things. I like good things. Do you like good things? I do. And good things can be any number of things, Good things. I am a magnet for opportunities and good things that come into my life daily. I'm a magnet. In other words, I draw good things. I may have had a flat tire along the freeway, but I have drawn good things into my life, and somebody pulled up that was a professional, maybe a service truck provider, pulled right up behind me a few minutes later and helped me change my tire quickly so I could get back on the road. Good things. And it doesn't mean that challenges aren't going to happen. You still might get the flat tire, but you're also going to get good things. Somebody's going to come and help you. Maybe that person that helps you is going to end up being a lifelong friend. We don't know. But good things are coming into your life because you are promising it to yourself right now, right this moment. You are making this promise that good things, that you are a magnet for good things and opportunities and wonders and little miracles. It's a wonderful feeling. It's a wonderful experience. So first you have love. Now your whole life is filled with good things. Oh yeah. And next is money. Money. I am worthy of larger and larger sums of money filling my bank account daily. I am worthy of larger and larger. In other words, you're never going to be stagnant. If you set a goal of earning $100 and every day you earn $100, you will start losing money because just the cost of living continues to increase. So you have to increase and have larger and larger sums of money flowing into your life on a daily basis. I like this word, and I want you to use this word. I want it to become part of your vocabulary deeply. Increase. Increase. Increase in good things. Increase in love. Increase in money, prosperity, and abundance. Increase is filling your bank account. And finally, kindness. I treat all living things with kindness, and kindness is returned to me. You are promising yourself, no matter what you've been in the past or who you've been, you are promising yourself right now that from this moment forward, you are living a life of kindness. Animals, plants, trees, flowers, people, yes, people, strangers, you are choosing a life of kindness. I am empowered and guided to a life of increase and abundance. I am empowered and guided to a life of increase, there's that word, and abundance. You are being guided by your higher self. You are being guided by your intentions. You are being guided by your mission and purpose in this life. And you're being guided to increase. You're being guided to abundance. And then finally, you will say, in addition, I accept that the following has already manifested in my life. And you will put down something that is personal to you. In addition, I accept the following has manifested into my life. And you will fill in whatever it is that you desire. Fill it in. And then you will put your hands on your heart, like so. And you will say, as I desire, so it is. As I desire, my desires are connected to the infinite field of potential. So as I desire, so it is. Now, high flyers, I honestly believe that this simple promise, you're welcome to alter it or change it in any way that fits your life. But I simply believe that this promise, that if you will do this promise for 28 days, write it out and sign it, get a little book. If you will do this, you will make drastic, incredible, miraculous changes in your life. Now, because I believe it so much, I believe that this particular video needs to be shared everywhere, because I think more people need to make this promise into their life and into their future. This is your time. This is your moment. You're at the precipice of change. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.